Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. It takes around 2700 liters of water to produce the cotton needed to make one t-shirt. Chenab Bridge is the highest rail bridge in the world. World's most expensive bar soap is made of gold and diamond powder, cost $2,800. China and Russia sign a deal to build research base on the moon. The first ever 3D film was released in cinemas in 1922. About 700 grapes go into one bottle of wine. This is a black house in Germany. This is blood, plasma and water droplets on a super hemophoic titanium surface. This spiked dog collar was invented by the ancient Greeks to protect their dogs from wolf attacks. The Spanish national anthem has no lyrics. The world's largest waterfall is underwater in the ocean. Post-sex cuddling can increase your satisfaction. Japanese ballpoint pen has parasitic worms that wriggle around while you write. A Karnataka man has invented the world's cheapest water filter which costs just Rs 30. In Roman times, salt was more valuable than gold. Sylvester Stallone still has the turtles from the movie Rocky and they are 40 years old. Wow! Picasso painting Woman Sitting by a Window sells for $103.4 million. Google is working on ultra-fast 5G internet for drone with solar panels. Jaguars have such powerful jaws that they kill their prey by biting into the brain directly through the skull. The Gmail logo was designed the night before Gmail was launched. If you spend one day on every floors of Mukesh Ambani's Antilla, it will take you 27 days to roam the whole house. Wear headphones even if you're not listening to music to stop people interrupting you. Sweden pays students $187 per month to attend high school. Albert Einstein slept 10 to 11 hours a day. Good sleep helps him stay creative. Uzbekistan will pay you $3,000 if you visit and get COVID. If you sell every organ and chemicals in a human body, you would easily make around $45 million. You are not worthless. The Vikings were the first Europeans to discover America, not Christopher Columbus. Xiaomi launches iPhone 12 compatible 20W fast charger. Most expensive liquid in the world is scorpion venom at $39 million per gallon. a Mercedes-Benz Actros truck hauling a Caterpillar 797 giant mining truck which weighs 20 to 40 tons. There is an island called Just Enough Room where there's just enough room for a tree and a house. This is the first flower ever grown entirely in space. Frogs never drink water, they absorb it through their skin. The refresh button in Windows won't make your PC faster, it is used to fix errors and glitches. Microsoft put a data center underwater, increasing sustainability by using water to cool servers. The East India Company, which ruled India before Britishers, is now owned by an Indian named Sanjeev Mehta. Aluminium foil can be used to increase the Wi-Fi. You should definitely give it a try. Google, Facebook made rupees 10,000 crore only from India in a year. In Osaka, Japan, there's a highway that goes through a building. Men will get rupees 3 lakh per month to marry a girl in Iceland. Puppies do not fully open their eyes until they are about 10 days old. The Netherlands closed 8 prisons in 2013 because of a shortage of criminals in the country. The total weight of all the ants on the earth is greater than the total weight of all humans on the earth. Wearing headphones for just an hour will increase the bacteria in your ear by 700 times. It takes only 6 minutes for alcohol to affect your brain. The wrong people always teach you the right life lessons. A man bought 99 iPhones and arranged them in a heart to propose his girlfriend, and she still said no. The larger a man's testicles, the more likely he is to stray. Thanks for watching.